I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to fix Roblox not crashing. First, ensure Roblox and any related background processes are fully closed. Then, clear out any old cache and temporary files from your Roblox installation directory, which can often accumulate and cause performance issues. After that, give your computer a quick restart to refresh its memory and system resources, providing a clean slate for Roblox to run. Next, it's crucial to update your graphics drivers. Outdated drivers are a common culprit for performance problems, so head to your graphics card manufacturer's website for the newest version. Also, take a moment to confirm your computer meets Roblox's minimum system requirements. Finally, close any unnecessary background applications that might be consuming valuable system resources, ensuring Roblox has ample power to run smoothly. If the previous steps haven't resolved the issue, a clean reinstallation is often the most effective solution. First, completely uninstall Roblox through your system's control panel or settings. Then, manually check and delete any leftover files or folders to ensure a truly clean slate. Finally, download the latest Roblox client from the official website and perform a fresh installation, which often resolves deep-seated problems. As a final measure, consider running a system file checker on your operating system to repair any potentially corrupted Windows files that might be interfering. Also, ensure your internet connection is stable and fast, as network issues can mimic performance problems. If, after all these comprehensive steps, Roblox is still experiencing issues, don't hesitate to reach out to Roblox support for personalized assistance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.